Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get local channels on FuboTV using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Fubo app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your home page, Fubo shows local channels based on your location, so your iPhone needs to have location service turned on. To check this, open Settings on your iPhone, tap on Privacy and Security, then Location Service. Make sure location service is on. Scroll down, find Fubo and set it to while using the app. Now go back to the Fubo app. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Guide. This opens the guide. Scroll through the channel list and look for local channels like local news, local sports, or local network stations. If you don't want to find them faster, tap the filter option at the top and choose all channels on favorites. You can search for a local channel by tapping the search icon and typing the channel name. Don't see local channels? Here are few things to check. Make sure your subscription plan includes local channels. Make sure your location is correct by closing and reopening the app. Once everything is set correctly, local channels will appear automatically in your guide. And that's it. That's how you get local channels on Fubo using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.